Welcome to part 2 of the Web School video on vHTAccess install and setup. After watching part 1 and double checking to make sure that you can log into the MEMS directory and everything is working properly with your processor's vHTAccess, vHTPassword integration into your site, then you can install the plugins. So what you're going to want to do is go to, in the back end of your Joomla site, extensions, install, uninstall, and then you're going to want to actually go to the directory that on your local machine where you had unzipped the vHTAccess unzip first file, and go to the Joomla 1.5 plugins. You're going to see two plugins in here. Plugin vHTAccess.zip. You're going to want to install that one. And once that's done, then you want to go to and install the second one, which is the login. And then we have included some other plugins here to remove the need for any hacks. One is disable core registration. You want to install that one. And you also want to install plugin J redirect. And once that is done, then we can start configuring up the system. Now the first thing you should do is, in some kind of notepad, go in and put the directory to where the integration from the vHTAccess was installed. In this case, and we always recommend people just to make it the MEMS directory, it'll be your full URL /MEMS, and we want to copy that. Remember to have the / after this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Extensions Plugin Manager, and we're actually going to filter on vHTAccess, and we'll see the two plugins. There's an authentication plugin. In here we're going to make sure that we enable it, and that in the file system path to the vHTAccess file we're going to put in that directory that we cut and paste, and then we're going to hit save. And we have to make sure that we enable the plugin too. And let's just double check it one more time. Everything looks good there. Save it. And then for the vHTAccess logout, you're basically going to want to do the same thing. We're going to want to only check users in the group registered yes, and delete user accounts when they're removed from the vHTAccess. We want to set that to yes also. In the file system path, we're going to paste that same one we did into the previous one, and then we're going to hit enabled yes and hit save. And that basically takes care of the installation of just the vHTAccess logins. In the next part, we will cover the other plugins. Thank you.